So in this video, I will show you some teaching aids of farm animals. Yes, I have told you in my previous video that I will share some of the animals in category wise like aquatic animals, farm animals, insects, birds. So yeah, here in this video, I will show you some farm animals. So without wasting time, let's get started. Teaching aids of farm animals. You can use it anywhere, like you are narrating the story, you are reciting the rhyme. You can word it as per your choice. So I hope you guys like it, and if you haven't watched my video of teaching aids of animals, so go and check it out on my channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share my video.